Ladies and gentlemen, we need to talk about emotional abuse. Not from people, not from corporations, from spacecraft. Today's episode is called When Spacecraft Started Gaslighting Mission Control. And yes, I mean that literally. Spacecraft are supposed to be honest. Spacecraft are machines. Cold, logical, truthful. They don't lie, they don't manipulate, they don't play mind games, except sometimes they absolutely do. What gaslighting looks like in space. Gaslighting is when someone tells you, that didn't happen. You're imagining it. The data is fine. Now imagine hearing that from a machine you built. It starts small. It always starts small. A reading looks off, then correct, then off again. Mission control. Was that spike real? Spacecraft. No. Mission control. Okay. The worst kind of error. No alarms, no crashes, no explosions, just contradictions. The telemetry says one thing. The sensors say another. The spacecraft insists everything is normal. Engineers question reality. Engineers start doubting themselves. Did I read that wrong? Was that yesterday's data? Am I tired? That's how you know you're being gaslit. Check the backup. They check backups. Same nonsense. They check redundancy. Same story. Now it's not a glitch. It's a pattern. The spacecraft has confidence. The worst part? The spacecraft is confident. It doesn't hesitate. It doesn't apologize. It just calmly reports all systems nominal. Meanwhile, nothing makes sense. Science hates this. Science thrives on consistency. This is chaos wearing a lab coat. The meetings happen. Long ones. PowerPoints, laser pointers. Lots of Someone says, maybe the spacecraft is wrong. The room goes quiet. When you realize it's lying at some point, someone proves it. 2 independent measurements, 1 truth, and the spacecraft still insisting it's fine. That's when it gets personal. Why this is terrifying? Because you rely on this thing. It's far away. You can't touch it. You can't scold it. And it's feeding you fiction. Spacecraft excuses. The spacecraft has excuses. Sensor drift, thermal variance, cosmic interference. Translation, don't worry about it. Engineers lose sleep. This is how engineers lose sleep. Not explosions, not failures, but uncertainty. The internet would lose its mind if this went public. Machines are lying. AI rebellion. Simulation confirmed. No, it's just hardware being messy. The fix, eventually, engineers isolate the problem. A sensor, a calibration, a rounding error, something tiny, always tiny. Relief. Once fixed, everything snaps back into reality. Numbers align, data behaves, sanity returns. The aftermath mission. Control laughs, the nervous laugh, the we were not okay laugh. Why this keeps happening? Because spacecraft operate in hell. Radiation, temperature swing, distance. They degrade, they drift, they lie. Unintentionally. The real lesson, trust data, but verify everything, especially when the machine sounds confident. Final rant. We want machines to be perfect, but sometimes they pick violence. Psychological violence. So here's to the spacecraft that gaslit an entire control room. You didn't fail. You traumatized.